Welcome to our episode of Carpool Karaoke. We have with us our special guest Leona Chin. 掌声鼓励鼓励. Hello and selamat pagi Malaysia. Well, it does look like we are gathering for a Sunday drive. Well, correction, today is not a Sunday, today is a Saturday. And it is a drive, but a drive with a purpose. It's called Drive of Hope. Today we are with a charity event. We're going somewhere to do some charity work, so join us today. Let us speak to the organizer of this event, Bryan. This is Bryan Gan. He's the organizer for this Drive of Hope. So Bryan, tell us the plan today.
Today is our event for charity event Drive of Hope. We are heading to Kampung Ulu Lakai to do some donation.
Kampung Ulu Lakai is Orang Asli settlement.
Yeah.
So we are going there to do the charity work. There are some very interesting cars here. So tell us about the car.
Most of the cars here today is SUV. We are driving SUV towards Kampung Ulu Lakai because due to the terrain of the road, we don't suggest MPV or we don't suggest sedan car to come in.
Right. So we want to make it there safely and be able to make it there using all these SUVs for the rough terrain.
Yeah.
As you can see, there are some pretty interesting cars here. So I've brought along a very interesting car as well, BMW X7. And to go for this drive, to do charity work and all that, of course, the more people, the merrier, right? So I've invited a friend who's going to be my driver as well, Leona Chin.
Hello,
Jeng jeng jeng. So, who's a better driver than Leona Chin, right? So I'm going to make her the driver. Let's go. Professional racing driver as my driver today. Jay, I shouldn't be sitting in a bag. This is a boss car actually, isn't it?
I thought
this is typical race car driver. Let me show you what's going on here. I don't have a let me show you what's going on here, right? So this is a stretch that is actually one lane.
I don't know.
There's a traffic light in front, long queue. See what Leona trying to do? Leona trying to cut through here. Maybe in her racer mind, she can cut through here, go straight, cut everyone, and then swoop, right at the end of the traffic light, she goes back in. Race car mentality, but please don't do that on the road. Do it in Sepang, yeah? Morning. Hai. Asal masuk longkang ni?
Parking.
Oh, parking. Nice. So this is the road where we drive. We passed Ulu Langat. We entered into this road where it's connected from Semenyih. That's why you pass the Semenyih Dam. This goes to Kuala Peluang, to Jelebu area. That's where we will end up at Titikong. This is a famous toge road lah. Not trying to promote this place to ask you all come and toge. Please don't, because there are a lot of cyclists here as well. Cyclists, bikers, they love this place because of the layout of the road. This is very smooth as well. The road surface is really nice here. Very nice to drive. Better than Ulu Yam actually. Ulu Yam road also not as smooth, I think. What's your take on Sunday drives? Do you go for Sunday drive?
No.
Right. Because you drive on Sepang. You drive on the track.
Yeah, we will drive on the track because it's much more safer.
Safer.
Yeah.
More controlled. You are not putting everyone at risk. I'm not saying that you guys can't go out and drive on a Sunday morning and stuff, but it's okay. But just drive responsibly, Never have ego in the equation in your drive. You have nothing to prove. If you want to prove your skill or your car's power and ability, go to Sepang. Race with Leona Chin. Not on the road. Because there are pakcik, makcik and auntie, uncle driving on the same road as you as well. It's fun to drive. It's fun to drive. I love it as well, but I don't wake up early in the morning to drive. I do that when there's a worthy car for me to wake up that early to go and drive, which is very seldom. Even if I do that also, I do it in, on a weekday where it's not crowded and it's safe for everybody lah, right? Okay, so we are here. We're gonna get off the car now and see what's gonna happen. So Bryan, this is Kampung Ulu Lakai. Yeah, tell us about what you have brought to the people here.
We set up the library for them, for all the young students which they are cannot able to reach outside for some studies. This library is for them to use.
So basically there is a facility like that. There is a hall and then you bring in tables and chairs for them as well to facilitate them and for them to use, for the community to use.
Yes.
Yeah. So now that we're here, let's speak to the locals here. Tok Batin here is the leader of the village. So Tok Batin ialah ketua adat di sini.
Ya. Kita asli suku Temuan.
Temuan.
Ya.
Temuan.
Dekat daerah Jilbu Negeri Sembilan ni kebanyakan memang suku Temuan lah.
Temuan.
Ya. Daripada dulu kita tak minat membaca, tapi sekarang kita ingin galakkan anak-anak buah kita supaya dia akan terdedah pada segi ilmu.
Ya betul.
Itu yang paling penting.
Ya betul.
Sebab supaya minda mereka ini akan diperluaskan daripada segi pembelajaran. Ucapkan ribuan terima kasih kepada pihak Hoton Group yang ada hari ini untuk menyumbangkan rak buku, buku bacaan dan juga meja, kerusi untuk kanak-kanak. Ada juga pihak kerajaan akan bantu masyarakat kita. Tetapi tak kurang NGO yang seperti ini pun akan ada prihatin pada masyarakat asli. Kita rasa bukan hanya setakat geng Hoton ini saja, tapi mungkin ada di pihak lain akan datang, akan cuba membantu kita yang dalam apa juga situasi yang kita hadapi.
So we are here now. This is the community hall. Bryan has arranged to donate tables, chairs and books. So it's a little library for the kids. And as what Bryan mentioned, it is they wanted to also prepare internet services, connections for the kids to go on internet and learn new things. But MCMC taken the initiative to do it for them as well. So yeah, it's a nice gesture from these people who have donated all this stuff and all the rice and all the food as well.
Really good job to them.
Yeah, good job to them. Welcome to our first episode of Carpool Karaoke. Yeah, our first guest here is Leona Chin.
I heard that you're settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. And she did your things I give to you.
This is a world premiere.
Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I beg. I remember you said sometimes it lasts in love and sometimes it hurts instead. sometimes it hurts instead.
Whoa, yo! Please thumbs up this video for Leona singing. Where have you been, Leona?
What?
You haven't been to our karaoke session before.
Yeah.
We had a few karaoke sessions. We love to sing in our office, so we went to karaoke. We invited Leona. She never came. She was singing
Busy
at home.
busy
Busy ah.
Playing game ah.
Wow, not bad ah. 开玩笑啊。So we are now at Hutan Retreat. Very interesting setup here, very nice, there's a lot of trees, very serene. Interesting place for you to bring your family over, have a nice weekend, chillax. Now, since they have all the cars lined up here, I'll just go through quickly with you guys. They do have some pretty interesting machines. There's the Porsche Cayenne, there's the Range Rover Autobiography, there's the Maserati Levante, there's our BMW X7, we have the Land Rover Defender, a G-Wagon. The Brabus B700 G-Wagon has left, so it's not here. The Range Rover Velar, Bentley Bentayga, Range Rover Autobiography as well, and the BMW X7. So it has been a pretty interesting day. I would like to thank Bryan for organizing this and inviting us as well. Thanks to Leona as well for joining us. And if you guys would like to contribute, do a bit of charity, do contact us or Bryan and see what we can do in the next round as well with the Orang Asli village. And it's been an eye-opening experience. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Ciao. See you lunchtime. Makan dulu ya.
It's a durian! So tiny!